Stop settling for average edits. If you want that PC-level cinematic look on your phone, this is it. Today, I am dropping my full preset for this Montagem Castelo edit. After Effects quality, mobile device. Let's go. The full preset is live in my Telegram channel right now. Link is in the description. Join the community, grab the assets, and start creating at a higher level. If you enjoyed this edit, smash that like button and subscribe for more PC-level mobile tutorials. I will see you in the next one.